Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add an emulator in Android Studio that we could be using, well, that we will use rather, in our Expo tutorials. So open Android Studio, and then from there you're going to click Settings, Device Manager, um, and you will need to know the path on that. So when you're setting up Android, um, you're going to need that path so that way VS Code knows where to look for the emulators. And here is also some SDK tools, software development tools, and the software uh, additions the versions that you can add. And for the emulator, what I like to do sometimes is uncheck where the launch is running devices tool windows. It's just I prefer launching them outside of the IDE versus within the IDE. It's just a little preference. It's up to you. I just find it easier to use with them launching outside the IDE because sometimes I get some issues with VS Code and launching the emulators when I have that option checked. But you may not run into that option. Sometimes it causes issues for me. So to create one, go to Device Manager, create virtual machine. Let's see, I already have the 9 Pro. Let's see. Let's choose 9. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, 9 will do. So let's click that. Nope. For some reason, it's not selecting. Let's keep trying. There it goes. Now, I'm not sure what that was about. Select it, finish. There it appears. It's pretty easy, just like as I showed in my Xcode tutorial of how to add a simulator. And then as I did with Xcode, always like to test it within Android Studio as I test it within Xcode to make sure that it is functioning normal before I move on to VS Code and test it thoroughly in there with applications. And again, depending on the speed of your computer, it may take a moment, but it appears to be going pretty about normal speed. And there it is, the hello world. Now that is functioning normal. Let's go ahead and close it out, and we'll test it now in VS Code and use a little test application that I have to make sure that the emulators and simulators are functioning normal. So we've got VS Code up and running, and let's open up a test application that I have. Let me get to it. There we go. And this one's, let me open up the terminal so that way I can test the emulator that we just made. So cd my app to get into the directory, Expo to start, and that might take a moment after I click it. And let's click Shift A to open up the Android emulators. There it is, Pixel 9, select it. And then it's going to open, hold on, and there it is, it's functioning normal, just the Hello World version of Expo application. And so as you see, it's pretty easy, straightforward. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. So that's about it. Be sure to like and subscribe to Monte Codes and check out my GitHub for other repos. Have a good one.